Okay, students, now let us continue with section 9, India's neighbors. In this you will study about India's neighboring places. Okay, the first one, again I will read out the details and I will tell the answers. I will not tell the spelling because the spellings are given in the help box. Okay, the first one, it lies in northeast of India. Tempus is its capital. It is landlocked country. Landlocked means चारों तरफ से land है. It lies as a strategic position between China and India. The total area is 38,394 kilometers square. India is about 86 times larger than this country. Its population is about 10 lakhs. It is a multilingual country. Multilingual means where people speak many languages. Buddhists account for more than 75% of the population, while Hindus comprise 1/4 of its population. It came to existence as an independent nation on 8th August 1949. Its currency is Bhutanese Nugal term, that is BTN, and Indian rupee INR, and the answer is Bhutan. Second, it is most populous country of the world, having a population of more than 1.40 crore. Area of the country is about 3 times bigger than India. Its area is 9.597 million kilometers square. It has a coastline of 14,500 kilometers. Beijing is the capital. Shanghai, Canton and Shenzhen are more other important cities. Mandarin is the official language. Buddhism is the main religion. Tibet is one of the 5 autonomous regions. It is now a major economic power of the world, and the answer is China. Third, it is another important neighbor of India. It lies in the east bordering the northeast states of India. Most of the land is flanked by mountains and high plateaus. The climate is hot and humid. The rainforests cover much of the land. Its population is about 5.4 crores. Yangon, that is Rangoon, and Mandalay are 2 of the main cities. It is a Buddhist country where 88% of people follow Buddhism. And the answer is Myanmar, in bracket right there, Burma. Fourth, the Himalayan kingdom, now a republic, has a strategic location between China and India. It contains 8 of world's 10 highest peaks, including Mount Everest and Dhaulagiri. It is a landlocked country. Dhaulagiri, it is a landlocked country. Hindu form more than 80% of its population. Before 2006, it was the only Hindu kingdom in the world. On May 28, 2008, this country was declared a federal democratic republic, and the answer is Nepal. Next, fifth, it is an Islamic republic state. It is in the northwest part of India. Subcontinent areas of the country is 8,81,913 square kilometers, and it has a coastline of 1,046 kilometers. The population is just over 20 crores. Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar, Islamabad, Rawalpindi are some of its major cities. Muslims form more than 96% of its population. It emerged from partition of British India on 14th August 1945, and the answer is Pakistan. Next, sixth, it is an island nation in the India's Ocean, about 48 kilometers east of Rameshwaram, a town in South India. Its area is 65,610 kilometers. It has 1,340 kilometers of coastline. The capital of this country is Sri Jawahardenpura Koti. a suburb of Colombo. Colombo, Kandy, Japan, a Gale are important cities of this country. About 70% of the population consists of Buddhists, while 12.5% of the people are Hindus. It is believed that the majority Sinhalese people came from India in the 6th century BC AD. 1000 Buddhist was introduced in the mid-3rd century BCE. It was occupied by the Portuguese in 1505 and the Dutch after 150 years. The British occupied it in 1802. It became independent in 1948. And the answer is Sri Lanka. Next, 7th. It lies 983 kilometers southwest to Sri Lanka in the Indian Ocean. It consists of 1,190 islands. Male is the capital. Its area is about 298 square kilometers and it has a coastline of 644 kilometers. Divehi is the main language. It was a sultanate. It was first under Dutch and then under the British protection. In 2004, after the riots, the government pleaded for more democratic reforms. And the answer is Maldives. Now, 8th. It lies to the east of West Bengal. Before the independence in 1971, it was called East Pakistan. Its total area is 1,47,570 kilometers square. Its capital is Dhaka. Total population of this country is about 17 crore. And the answer is Bangladesh. Now, 9th, the last one. It is landlocked country located with South Central Asia. It is bordered by Pakistan in the south and east, Iran in the west, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan and Tajikistan in the north, and in the far northeast, China. Its territory covers about 6,52,000 square kilometers, and much of it covered by the Hindu Kuch mountain range, which experience very cold winters. The north consists of fertile plains, the southwest consists of desert where temperature can get very hot in summers. Kabul serves as the capital of its largest city, and the answer is Afghanistan. With this, we have finished the section 9, and along with this section 9, we have also finished the syllabus of the PT2.